Bonafide Hustler here in another random Thrift-y vlog. Let's see what we can get ourselves into today. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of the goddamn gym. It's relatively clean in here, but there are some things I want to show you. So that's where we'll start the video. By the way, the Bonafide Hustler on Instagram, that's how you can find me. And if you want to get a free guide that teaches you 50 items to buy and resell commonly found at thrift stores and garage sales, then pick up this free guide. It's the first link down below. First find I want to talk to you guys about this co-pilot seat. Found it on the back of a bike. And basically, these are over $100 new. This one, we'll be asking about $40 locally for it. It sits on the back of like a seat, like right here. Child goes back there. Pretty neat. That's what it looks like right there. Figure I'd show you that thing before we get to the stuff on the floor here. There are some things on the floor getting kind of disheveled. I don't like it. Neat find from the other day. These were $22 out the door in impeccable condition. Check that out. Looks really good. Salomon X Ultra 2s. These are Gore-Tex as well. Incredible condition, men's 11. Should sell for right around $100, $22 at a Goodwill. Great brand that you should know about with outdoor hiking gear. This would be considered a light hiking shoe, only because the exterior is made of, non-leather. It can breathe really well, but when it comes to abrasion, true leather hiking boot would be superior to this. But this is considered light hiking, and it's a really good brand. All right, so I just found these 2 days ago. These are men's rollerblades. I believe these are called CY33s. The reason why I picked these up is because A, they're my size. B, they're so new they even have the little size sticker on them. C, there's literally like no use on this thing. It might have been used one time. The brake looks impeccable. These are considered retro vintage, of course. Really good condition, and the interior, everything looks so minty fresh in there. So this could actually sell for right around $100 because it is a size 12. It's a pretty good size, and it was $22 at a thrift store 2 days ago. So I don't know what to do. Do I use these things? I'm not 100% sure what to do because I've always wanted to blade again. And this is actually kind of cool because they're made out of very tough material, almost like Vans suede material. It's just a really good skate. It looks really nice. I'm afraid it's going to start delaminating around here and stuff, so I don't know. Should I just find a beater pair of rollerblades and just use that? Or should I just go with this? It's $22. I'm not 100% sure. I think I'm going to list them. Let me know down below. Do you ever have like problems like this where you want something, you find it, but then the thing that you find like also carries, inherent sell value of like $100 or so? Like, what do? If I start using them, essentially, I've bought the damn skates for like $100, it seems, right? Not to mention if they get cracked or they break, now it's not worth anything. So I don't know what to do, but these are in great condition. Found these at a thrift store 2 days ago. Here's something that I found a while back. I just haven't got around to testing it. This is a Breville coffee maker with the grinder on top, which is cool. So you can put your beans in there. You can make them coarse or finer, whatever you want. The water tank is right here. The digital display works and all that kind of stuff. This was, I think, $20 out the door. This is actually a $20.59, it says right there. I think I used a coupon. This also would sell for right around $100 right here. It has everything with it, which is nice. And Breville's a good brand. It's not the best, right? But it's good. I think it'll be nice. The actual display is like really cool. Kind of looks like I don't know, it's just really neat. It turns blue and it's just nice. This makes coffee. It's not one of those, all-in-one cappuccino, espresso, whatever. It basically, on a timer, would brew good coffee. So, pretty nice little machine. That was at a Goodwill. So I was in Denver a couple weekends ago, and I won't say why I was in Denver, but it was for some stuff that regarded filming. Okay, so that's as much as I can tell you. But picked up two things from a flea market in Denver. One was this pair of boots right here, and I speculate these to be Justin. I'm not 100% sure, but they just have that perfect, awesome look that would be perfect for my booth. So we have nice embroidery. We have a little tassel thing or fringe thing right here. Really nice condition. These were $8 at a booth in Denver. Should be able to sell these in my booth right around $80 to $100. They're cool. Size 10.5 men's. For $5 at a booth in Denver, I picked up this shirt. Didn't have really much time to thrift, but still, it's a cool shirt. It's a vintage little Daytona or whatever Scott Sharp. Yeah, I'm down with Scott Sharp. This actually says 1993, so this could be a 1993 shirt. Anyway, I think it looks like, I don't know if it's Daytona, if it's some other stuff. What does that say? Is that SCCA or ECCA? It's a Z28. It's made by Chevrolet. It's a Camaro. There's a Daft Punk guy driving it, clearly. I just don't know. You know, I'm not down with like all the terms when it comes to like the racing series and everything. So someone tell me what this would be classified as. Obviously it's a vintage shirt, blah, 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 Scott Sharp. But what would this racing series be? Is it NASCAR? Is it stock car? Is it definitely not funny car? I know it's not Top Fuel Dragster, but let me know. Anyway, yeah, we have a really nice thick kind of collar right there. Single stitch sleeve, which is nice. Cool shirt, you know, $5, I'll take it. Should sell for right around 30 to 40 in my booth, no problem. All right, from that Goodwill right there, popped on these rollerblade macro blades. I don't know what it is about finding two rollerblades kind of close together on this video, but anyway, these are rollerblade macro blades. A lot of these are sold on eBay north of 50 bucks all day. These are $15.49. Incredible condition. You can take a look at the wheels, and then we'll still have that center piece right there. Looks good. Brake looks great. No cracks on the body. Still that really cool kind of sticker right there that has the sizing, right? Both sides. The sticker on here is right there. You can see the sticker on the other one right there. So incredible condition. You always want to check the straps, the housing, you know, the actual boot housing, and then it's pretty much good to go. This should sell for right around 100 to 140. Not a bad size either. 8.5 women's. Okay, so we, and I said E-Money and I, there he is, look at that, are rolling up on a garage sale. Hey, surprise, surprise, the vlog has taken a wild little turn. There's a lot of people at this garage sale. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is in our neighborhood. It's one of the first ones. We're just gonna check out today and see what we can find. We're in E-Money's little truck here, so we have the room to buy some cool stuff. See anything good, E-Money?
Not yet, but if you want some yoga mats or something.
Yoga mats? They did make the dire mistake of putting video games in like their listing, so they have video games here, but we all know that that's probably not here. But hey, let's go check it out. Okay, so we didn't find anything at that one, although there were a lot of cool things. We're looking at Craigslist right now, and we're trying to find the next one to go to. But I think there are around 6 to 8 garage sales today, and pretty sure we're gonna find something at one of these garage sales. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and if you do, hit the like button down below. Let's get that out of the way now, and then let's see if we find something. So from that garage sale right over there, popped on these Justin, I think they're kind of lizard boot, good condition, you know, $4. Be asking around 50 in my booth for these. They look like a perfect women's size too, so somewhere around 7.5, maybe 8. It's perfect. So about 50 bucks. That's the first find of the morning. Some Justin lizard or snake boots. I'll take it. From a garage sale down there, E-Money popped on these old windows for 10 bucks. They're intact and the glass is intact, which is pretty cool. So I think he's gonna try to flip them locally, yeah, and see what he gets for that. More than likely over 100 bucks, but we'll see. Nice scores right there. Now, typically in my booth, I could sell these things for around about 60 each. But that's a good score right there. All right, so from that garage sale right there, I don't know if you can see it, got this mirror. Pretty cool. It's kind of like a medium-sized mirror, 10 bucks. Should sell for around 70, 80 in my booth. It's very tarnished and very weird looking. Love it. Probably some spirits behind the scenes going on here, but I'm not all about that. We're gonna get this thing, we're gonna get this little haunted mirror sold. E-Money, is this haunted?
Huh?
E-Money, is this? E-Money, look into it.
No way.
E-Money.
What, do I get? Dude, it took away my gains. It took away my gains.
Yeah, you have to have gains first before it takes it away. E-Money, put the grudge in there. E-Money, get that ring mirror out of here. Yeah, it's not the greatest day for hustling, but I wanted to take you guys along with us. I think the vlog's gonna end here because I'm gonna open up another one. But if you enjoyed this video, and it's nice to see E-Money, you actually are in the comments every now and then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video, right, E-Money? Mm-hmm. All right, yeah. Take it easy, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye.